It appears that Mike Pillow has been ordered once again to pay up.
Oh no!
The lumpy pillow magnate has been ordered by a judge to pay $5 million to the man who debunked his false claims of fraud in the 2020 election. This follows an attempt to get out of paying the award to the winner of the Prove Mike Wrong challenge. Well, that person proved Mike wrong. And, well, apparently, Mike, he no likey. So Robert Zeidman, the computer forensics expert and Trump supporter, went and proved Mike wrong and showed that the Chinese did, in fact, not hack into the 2020 election. The American Arbitration Association's Commercial Arbitration Tribunal had actually ruled last April that Lindell had to pay Zeidman the money. Lindell challenged the ruling, but the arbiters decided to uphold it, according to a document filed on Wednesday. Zeidman told the Washington Post in April that he was really happy with the initial decision. They clearly saw this as I did, that the data we were given at the symposium was not at all what Mr. Lindell said it was. The truth is finally out there. And of course, the truth shall set you free, and apparently also set $5 million free from Lindell's pockets. Just saying. Hey, look, Mike, if you didn't want to pay, you shouldn't have made your stupid contest. This sounds like a case of F around and find out. I do not understand, though, how people could believe that a pillow salesman would unmask a sophisticated hacking scheme by a foreign government. I mean, talk about delusions of adequacy. Like, I'm pretty sure that Mike Lindell can barely operate his microwave, much less figure out how hacking into computer systems works. Okay? Especially computer systems that, in a lot of cases, weren't even connected to the internet at the time. Okay? He probably thinks, no, it works just like in the movies. I watched the movie Hacker. Okay, I saw it. Now, here's the thing, though. Okay? Mike Pillow has this complex where he is the chosen one, right? He is Saint Michael of Trump. The savior of America from the dastardly machine menace. All right? I mean, to me, it's all Fruit Loops. It's all cuckoo nonsense, right? And it really seems like he switched one addiction from crack to another, which is hardcore religion. I mean, which one seems to be more dangerous at this point, right? Look, what happens, though, is when you're addicted to this hardcore religion, to this fanatical faith, everything happens to be a test from God or the work of the devil, okay? And so...
It's the devil, okay?
Right? And it's all there to stop Mike from his true purpose, which is deliverance from the evil Chinese, the Italians, the Iranians, the Pomeranians, and anybody else who had a hand in trying to steal the election from Donald Trump. That's what's going on here, all right? He's a nut.
Just forget about the evidence.
But back in the real world, which we all live in, Zeidman's attorney, Brian Glasser, told HuffPost in an email that he and his client are pleased with this week's decision. We are thrilled by this decision and look forward to beginning collection efforts if payment is not promptly forthcoming. This decision gives us that collection power. Well, I've got to say, good luck. Right now, there appears to be a very long line of people that Mike Lindell owes money to. And I don't think he has it. I mean, at least he's saying that he doesn't have it. I mean, first you've got Dominion Voting System that sued him for $1.3 billion, and that's not even in court yet. Lindell has already claimed that he's out of cash. I mean, he couldn't even pay his lawyers. Back in October, they filed a motion to withdraw from their role because Lindell was so far behind on payments to the law firm. He owes them millions of dollars. He owes the IRS millions of dollars. Back in November, it was reported that they actually filed 2 liens against his Texas home and land for nearly $9.5 million. Not only that, but apparently there was an auction that I had reported on probably a couple of months ago where they were getting rid of some of the machines and stuff at Lindell's factory. And so all of this is really to show that he's not doing well. He's doing very badly. He's already lost a lot of advertising deals. Again, where, yes, he pays to advertise his product. That's kind of how it works, right? And there are, a lot of stores that will no longer carry his brand. And even Fox News for a while wouldn't allow him to pay them for the ability to advertise in their network to potential customers. And that's devastating for a business because advertising is incredibly important. But it's all because of his, election denial. Oh, and I guess the reason, of course, that Fox News wouldn't allow him to advertise is because he owes them money too. So he's not doing very well. All right. Look, the thing is that Mike's problems come from really one source, and that's not accepting reality. All right. The reality of the fact that Trump lost, not because of election or hacking, or election fraud or hacking or anything like that, but simply because more people just happen to have voted for the other guy. Crazy, right?